Hi, welcome to Markaz Videocast. I am Animesh Tulsian, analyst. In this episode, I am going to give you a brief overview of our newly released reports titled UAE Ports. Currently, there are 35 ports in the Gulf region, and the main driver which requires port development in the region is the enormous increase in trade in and out of the Arab Gulf free trade zones. These ports also serve as an entry point for enormous imports into Gulf countries and also exports of oils, chemicals and other industrial exports out of the Gulf region. Other drivers which require port development include a need for economic diversification and also the increasing importance of emerging markets, as 70% of GCC exports are to the developing Asian markets. The total investment of GCC in port development is expected to be USD 30 billion. The three major port developments in GCC are the Khalifa Industrial Zone of Abu Dhabi Port with an investment of USD 10 billion, New Doha Port in Qatar with an investment of USD 7 billion, and the Millennium Port in Saudi Arabia with an investment of USD 6 billion. UAE is the GCC country with the highest investment in the port development, that is 36% of GCC's total port investments. Currently UAE has 13 ports, and the main ports of UAE had a compounded annual growth rate of 10% in container traffic from 9 million TEUs in 2004 to 17 million TEUs in 2011. There will be an increase in container traffic in UAE due to an expected increase in trade from 2011 to 2015. Apart from Kizad mega projects in Abu Dhabi, other projects in UAE are the Muzaffar Port 2 in Abu Dhabi, Jebel Ali Terminal in Dubai, Fujairah LNG Terminal in Fujairah, and Shahama Port upgradation in Abu Dhabi. It is important for UAE to invest in port developments to handle the increase in non-oil exports and re-exports, and also to attract more FDI through free trade zones located adjacent to the ports. Abu Dhabi's Mina Zayed port showed a CAGR of 12% in container traffic from 2004 to 2011, which is the highest in UAE. Its general cargo volume has more than doubled since 2006, and hence Khalifa Port will handle the container traffic while Mina Zayed Port will handle the general cargo. Mina Zayed is also being converted into a cruise terminal to improve the tourism industry. Dubai's Jebel Ali Port handles the largest volume of container traffic in UAE, which is 13 million TEUs, and further expansions are underway to increase its total capacity to 19 million TEUs by 2014. Port Rasid is the largest cruise terminal in Middle East and is expected to have a 58% growth in passenger traffic by 2015. Jebel Ali Free Trade Zone located adjacent to Jebel Ali Port is responsible for 20% of UAE's FDI and more than 50% of Dubai's exports. Currently there are no port developments planned in Sharjah due to low growth of container traffic and passenger traffic in its existing ports. Fujairah Port is the world's third largest bunkering port, and development of a liquefied natural gas terminal is underway. Our report, which is about 83 pages, starts with an overview of GCC seaports, the development projects in GCC, economic benefits of seaports, and the drivers of port development. The report then gives an overview of UAE seaport sector, its upcoming and ongoing projects, its trade scenario with various countries, and UAE's growing importance in the world trade. The report then describes elaborately the individual ports of each individual emirates and ends with key learning points. The report is very rich statistically and consists of 19 tables and 44 charts. If you are interested to read about this report, please log on to our website emarmor.com and you can have the full details of this report. Look forward to see you again. Thank you.